Hi, let's solve for a plus b. First of all, let us clear this fraction, this side, for the left hand side, by multiplying through by the LCM of a and b, which is ab. So we are going to have 1 over a multiplied by ab, or let's write ab first. So ab multiplied by 1 over a plus ab multiplied by 1 over b is equal to ab multiplied by 1 over 13. Now a we cancel a, we have b, plus b we cancel b, we have a, is equal to ab over 13, right? Now let's clear 13 by multiplying through by 13. So if we do that, we have 13 bracket b plus a is equal to ab over 13 multiplied by 13 over 1. Okay, so if we open the bracket, we are going to have 13 times b will give us 13b, plus 13 times a will give us 13a, is equal to 13, we cancel 13 and we have ab. All right, now let us transfer the whole of this to the other side of the equation. If we do that, we are going to have ab is here already, right? Then this will cross to become minus 13b, this will cross to become minus 13a, is equal to what? 0. If this is the first time you are seeing us, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our videos. Okay, we upload daily, so check on us at any convenient time of yours for new uploads. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. All right, now if we want to factorize this, okay, we really need something that we are going to use to factorize this side. Now this is what I mean. I'm going to add 0 to this, so I have ab minus 13b minus 13a, now plus 169 minus 169. Now this is still 0, so we have not added anything. Now you are going to see why. So let's factorize. So here we are going to bring out b, right? Then we have ab divided by b is a, 13b divided by b is 13, then minus 13a. What are we going to bring out? Let's bring out minus 13. Okay, all right, now minus 13a divided by minus 13 will give us a, plus, now for this one, 169 divided by minus 13 will now give us minus 13, then minus 169 is equal to 0. So you see why I had to introduce 169 and minus 169, so that we can easily factorize. Now look at what we have, a minus 13, a minus 13, so we can factorize this and this. So that means that this and this is same thing as b minus 13, right? b minus 13 multiplied by a minus 13 multiplied by a minus 13, then minus 169 is equal to 0. So if we transfer this to this side, we are going to have b minus 13 multiplied by a minus 13 is equal to 169. Now there are several ways we can factorize 169. The first one is 1 multiplied by 169. Okay, now the second one is 169 multiplied by 160 multiplied by 1, sorry. Now the third one is 13 multiplied by 13. So we have the first case, the second case, and the third case, and we are going to make use of all of them. So for case 1, which is that b minus 13, okay, let me come to this side, b minus 13 multiplied by a minus 13 is equal to what? 1 times 169, 1 multiplied by 169. So if that is the case, that means b minus 13 is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 1. And a minus 13 is equal to what? 169. Let's call this equation 2. Now from 1, we can see that what? B is equal to minus 13 will cross to become plus 13. So 1 plus 13 is 14. So we have gotten the first value of b. Now since b is equal to 14, now from equation 2, let's get a. A will be equal to minus 13 will cross to become plus 13. So we have 169 plus 13, which will give us 182, right? So we have 182 as the second value of b. So using this now for case 1, a plus b will be equal to 14 plus 182, which will give us, this plus this is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, and remaining 1. So a plus b will give us 196. Now let's go for case 2. Okay, let's go for case 2. Now for case 2, we said that 169 is same thing as 169 times 1. So for case 2, we have b minus 13 multiplied by a minus 13 is equal to 169 times 1 times 1. So this simply means that b minus 13 is equal to 169. Okay, let's call this equation 3, and a minus 13 is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 4. So from 3 we have that b is equal to 169 plus 13, which will give us 182. Okay, all right. Now a will be equal to 1. This minus 13 will cross to become 4 plus 13. So we have a to be equal to 4. So that means for case 2, a plus b is equal to 182 plus 14, which will give us 196 as well. Now let's go for case 3, which is 13 multiplied by 13. So if we use case 3, for case 3, we have that b minus 13 multiplied by a minus 13 is equal to 13 multiplied by 13. Okay, so that simply means that we have b minus 13 to be equal to 13 and a minus 13 to be equal to 13 as well. All right, now from equation 5 and 6, this is 5 and this is 6. So from 5 we can see that b is equal to this will cross to become plus 13, so we have 26, and a is also the same thing. This will cross to become 26. So a plus b for case 3 is going to be 26 plus 26, which will give us 52. So that means that the two values of a plus b, okay, is equal to 52 and 180. What did I get again? And 196, yeah, and 196. So these are the values of a plus b. Thank you so much for watching.